so today I have some very exciting news to share with you all. As you can see, this is a channel that makes $1,500 to $23,000 per month. No face, all automated, right? I can show you how this whole process can be automated by just hiring a few virtual assistants. And if you want to do this yourself, you can do this completely with totally free tools, right? First and first, right, let me show you what this channel looks like. Right, the channel name is I Am Rich, right? So what I'm going to show you now is how do we get started. So the first thing first we need to do is find a product we want to promote, right? Now what we do, how do we go about that? Right, first we go to this website called Digistore24. Digistore24, right? Once you're here, click on Marketplace. Right, and for Marketplace, you see it has 689 products ready for you to promote. The beautiful thing about Digistore24 is you can easily promote it from anywhere in the world, right? They are not limited by your location. As long as you have an audience, as long as you have a platform, you can easily promote Digistore24 products, right? Good. So here, once we're here, we'll go straight down to personal development. Now you can see here's a product. You can promote Genie Script, Wesley Billion, right? 80% commission, almost £50 or 50 euros, right? Miracle Money Magnets, 70% commission, 15 euros, right? So these are good products you can promote on Digistore24, right? See, this has a popularity score of 4.5. A lot of people are making money with this product, I tell you, right? So how do you promote this? Right now you have your product. What's the next thing? You need content, right? You'll be asking yourself, how do I get content? How do I get content to promote this product? We can create content by simply going, say this is a product on making money online, right? And you are going to be creating creating content, sorry about that. We're going to be creating content on money affirmations, right? So this is where you go. Next, you go to a website called Pixels, right? And click and type and search for meditation and relaxation. So what I'm going to do is let me take meditation and relaxation. I'll take this. So the good thing about Pixels is it lets you download images and videos that are copyright free. You can use them whichever way you like, right? I'll take this. I'll take this. And I'll take this, right? So I've downloaded up to 5 pictures and videos, right? The next thing I will do, the next step on our list is for you to go to Google and type top money affirmations, right? Good. So top 5 money affirmations. Right. So let's click on this girl boss on this blog. Sorry. Right. So what you want is for them to have at least 5 affirmations. You see. So you have all of this. Now I'm going to copy all of these out and paste them in my spreadsheet. Right, paste them here in my spreadsheet. Let me bring this down. Close the video for now. 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 Right. I'm going to copy this and place them in my spreadsheet. Right. This is our information. Then next stage is we go to Canva. Canva is a free software for designing logos, designing for graphic design, like upcoming graphic design, and even some medium to expert level graphic design use Canva. Right, we close this out and I'll log in. So what I want you to do once you get into Canva, accept your cookies of course and enjoy your cookies. is for you to type mobile videos. Good. Exactly. So this is a template for you, right? Once you step by step, I'm giving you guys all the steps you need. Right. Once you're here, the next thing you do is create 5 of this. So 3, 4, 5. Right? 5 of this. Good. Now, once you create your 5, you upload the videos you created previously. Sorry, you upload the videos you just downloaded from Pixels. Right? And so here, once you upload your video, as your videos are uploading, you add a text, you go back to your here to your spreadsheet, copy this, paste it here. Right? You can easily adjust this back and forth. Right? Once you've gotten this in the location you want, you go down to Effects and select the background. Right, you can do this is fine. Go to the next one. Money flows freely to me. Right, add the heading, paste, take this here, boom, that's it. Effects, add the background, boom, you're done. Right, next one. I release all resistance attracting money. I'm a body of positive cash flow. Paste it here. Arrange this. Effects. Boom. You're done. Next one. There was always more than enough money in my life. Add the heading. Boom. That's it. Boom. You're done. You can see how easy this is, right? Then your title now would be what you searched for on Google. Top 5 money affirmations. Right? Good. Take this up. Take this away. Boom. That's it. You can also, if you want to put the background so it shows up there. That's it. You're done. Right? Now click here, check for your upload if any is done. This is done. Boom, that's it. Shorten this. Not really short videos. If any is done, that's it. Put it in the center. Double click. Okay, if it's just the hands showing, then that's it. Boom, you have your video. Come here, shorten this as well. Try to make it about 6 or 5 seconds each. Right here, next video, the relaxing lady. Yeah, this. That's it. Here, who's next? This lady is next. So just drag it and hover up here. right? And that's it. So here, next thing we do now, we add a text that says, learn how to make money come to you always. Click the link, right? Nothing serious, nothing special, right? Just take your effects, give it the same effect, give it a good video, right? And just like that, you've created. You can then decide to add background music. You can come here. I already have some music I have uploaded. If you're looking for royalty-free music you can use for your YouTube videos and YouTube, right? You can go to Ben Sound, search Ben Sound on Google, right? Music by Ben Sound. So you see, you can, all these are tools you can use to generate this for free and get amazing traffic from. You can get free traffic from TikTok, can get free traffic from Instagram Reels, can get free traffic from YouTube. Post this, post your link, and you start seeing your commissions flowing in. Yes, no way you'll start seeing commissions flowing in immediately, but I promise you, if you're consistent with this for a period of time, consistently posting these videos every day or every week, right, you would eventually start seeing traffic flowing into your affiliate links, and trust me, you'd want to do more. Alright, thanks guys. If you like this type of video, if you like this type of content, I'll be producing more of this once every week. I'm producing a video weekly. Please hit the like button because it helps the YouTube algorithm, right, push this further, and it helps me, it encourages me to continue making more, you know. And subscribe to this channel if you want more. Thank you so much, and do have a nice day. Peace out.